हेलो एवरीबॉडी, कैसे हो आप सब। स्वागत है आपका मेरे नदर लेओवर व्लॉग में। टुडे आई एम इन फ्रैंकफर्ट, अ सिटी इन जर्मनी, और ये हमारा 2 दिन का लेओवर है। सो हमारे पास इनफ टाइम है सिटी को एक्सप्लोर करने का। वी वर टोटल 5 पीपल एंड वन ऑफ अस वाज आवर सर। ही हैज़ बिन टू फ्रैंकफर्ट मैनी टाइम्स बट ही डिसाइडेड टू कम विद अस बिकॉज it was our first time and he wanted to be there with us and guide us where to go and what to do in the city. City was hardly 25 minutes away from our hotel. And this place which you are seeing on your screen, this is known as Romerburg. Little information about this place. This place is famous for being Frankfurt's historic main square and home to Roma. Roma means city hall in Germany and a collection of beautifully reconstructed half timbered house जो कि आप मेरे पीछे देख रहे हो. The pattern of house has that is known as half timbered house. वहाँ पे हमने प्रेट्ज़ल ट्राई किया. प्रेट्ज़ल, आई एम श्योर यू ऑल मस्ट बी नोइंग इट. इट्स अ फेमस जर्मनी ब्रेड. इट हैज़ टू बी accompanied with butter or something, but I was eating it all alone because we were hungry and it is quite fulfilled. थोड़ी दूर आगे जाते ही हमें आयरन ब्रिज दिखा, which is the famous आयरन ब्रिज ऑफ फ्रैंकफर्ट, जहाँ पे क्वीन ऑफ टीयर्स के ड्रामा की शूटिंग हुई थी. इफ़ यू ऑल हैव वॉच्ड दैट सीन, आई एम श्योर यू ऑल रिमेंबर. ये ट्रेडिशनल सिटी से भी देखने को मिलता है कि यहाँ पे आप ब्रिज पे लॉक लगाते हो और चाबी को आप रिवर में फेंक देते हो, and that is a symbol of your eternal love. As you all can see, there are so many lock already there on the bridge. लेकिन to your disappointment ये सारे लॉक हटा दिए जाते हैं क्योंकि लॉक के वेट से ब्रिज के कोलैप्स होने के भी चांसेस है, which has happened to one of the Lovelock Bridge into Paris in 2015. So basically it is a precautionary measure for your safety. I am loving this summer. I am loving everything. The breeze, the view, these pretty logs, and it is all made up of iron. I love it. Just look at the view. And we are going to that church now. We'll be going there. से बहुत ज़्यादा कुछ है नहीं यहाँ, but finally it was time to say goodbye to Iron Bridge and we proceed further. One thing which I really love about Germany street is this. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi.
Bonjour.
Where is another girl? She is there. Okay, this cathedral, which is named as Saint Bartholomew de Frankfurt, I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong. It's totally German. I'm not good at it. And this has very significant value in Frankfurt because this was heavily damaged during World War II and was reconstructed again. There were so many people in the cathedral came solely for prayer, and there were so many people came for tourist purpose, yet there were pin drop silence in the church, and that shows so much respect and dignity people have for their beliefs and for other beliefs, which was amazing to watch. Church से निकलने के बाद while walking I saw this beautiful residential area, and as you can see it is so pretty. The house pattern, I love it so much. जर्मनी की एक अच्छी बात ये लगी मुझे कि streets are always vibrant. There is always musics are being played, some people are dancing, and it's always amazing to watch that. उसके बाद से हमें जाना था Zeal. Zeal is the place to go for shopping. If you love shopping, this place is like heaven for you all. But before shopping we were very tired, so we had to eat or drink something. We were exhausted, so we went to this place which sells fruit tea or milk tea, whatever you want. I tried mango lime fruit tea, which was amazingly refreshing. I loved it, but I'm not sure what does this brand names. As you can see, it's very confusing, so good luck finding that brand. We found a place to sit and chit chat while we were having french fries. That was from Five Guys, and it was first time me trying Five Guys french fries. It was amazing as well. As I was speaking of vibrant street of Frankfurt, as you can see, every place you will find music. while I was enjoying my time in Frankfurt, Mother Nature decided to put cherry on top. It started raining and I love rain, so I decided to enjoy it a bit much. But constantly I was thinking I should not be getting too wet because I cannot afford to get sick right now in Frankfurt because I have a flight to operate back to India. Okay, I saw a mannequin wearing this white and black skirt which I absolutely loved it, and I thought, okay, I have to buy this, and I literally went to buy this although I had no plan to shop. I like this skirt. It's a skirt but leather one. I chose 3 skirts, 2 of them were long and 1 was short, but this one which I had no plan to buy but I absolutely loved it, so I just bought it and that was perfect. While this one which I actually came to buy, वो मुझ में अच्छा नहीं लग रहा था and I had to choose only one, so I bought this one. While this costed me somewhere around 55 euro. We 5 people were scattered to shop here and there, and once everybody was done shopping, we met at a point which was a Korean barbecue chicken store. This place is famous for their fried chicken. I decided to give a try to the spicy chicken, but it was not spicy at all. I don't know why do they call it spicy, but मेरी इंडियन टंग को वो स्पाइसी नहीं लगा. उसके बाद से हमें होटल जाना था क्योंकि enough roaming around. It is time to go hotel and rest. Welcome back to my channel. Channel to my welcome. Channel to my welcome. Do not forget to subscribe my channel and follow me on Instagram. Follow for more. Bye. And here is my team.
Yo, what's up?
Please follow her, please. It's a request. Please follow her.
No, Insta.
Not only her, you can follow me as well.
देखो ना क्या बोला मैं कनेक्ट हो गया
Follow her.
कहाँ से हुआ है?
आप करो